With the recent release of Sora 2, a new wave of hyper-realistic AI videos has arrived. The kind of videos that make you stop scrolling and ask, wait, is that even real? And naturally, the next question is, how do I use this to make money? Because when something this big drops, early movers always make the most out of it. So don't leave halfway, because by the end, you'll know 6 smart ways to turn Sora 2 into income. Let's start. 1. Providing AI-made video services. The first way is simple. Provide AI video creation as a service. Businesses, creators, and marketers always need video content. Ads, short clips, explainer animations, but most can't afford big teams or editors. You can step in with Sora 2 and offer it at a fraction of the price. Here's the deal. Sora 2's API costs are low, around a few dollars for short clips. You can charge clients much more depending on the quality, while still being cheaper than traditional human teams. You become the person who knows how to talk to the AI, prompting it correctly, combining image to video and text prompt, and refining the results. Your job? Use your creativity, polish the output, and deliver a finished product. From motion graphics to product ads, virtual characters, or even mini animations, there's a huge market waiting. And the best part is, you don't need a studio, a crew, or a camera. Just your laptop, good ideas, and the ability to make AI do cool things. 2. Generate and monetize your own content. The second method is creating your own videos and monetizing them. Every platform today pays for views. YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram Reels, you name it. And Sora 2 lets you make high-quality videos fast. The trick is to use your imagination. You can create 3D or 2D animation content, stock and finance explainers, comedy skits, alternate movie scenarios, history reimagined, or even deep psychological storytelling. Anything that gets people to watch and stay watching. And since Sora 2 can produce realistic visuals, you can compete with top-tier content without needing a full animation team. But remember, everyone will start doing this soon. So don't just make random videos. Make videos that teach, entertain, or shock people in some way. Quality and creativity will still win. Because even with AI, boring content is still boring. A little humor helps too. Imagine a stick figure arguing with an AI that keeps changing its face every 5 seconds. Yeah, that's engagement right there. I will bring a dedicated video around that and explain in detail, so don't forget to subscribe. 3. Make your own show or movie. Now here's the exciting part. Making your own show or even a movie with Sora 2. Sounds crazy, right? But it's already starting to happen. Sora 2 can generate scenes, shots, characters, and even dialogue synchronization. That means if you have a great story idea, you can actually bring it to life. No million-dollar studio, no 50-person crew. You could create an animated short series for YouTube, a sci-fi film, or even a web series. And as people get used to AI-generated content, they'll care less about how it's made and more about how good it is. You can publish it on streaming sites, YouTube, or even pitch it as an indie AI project. And if it takes off, you could earn from ads, sponsors, or crowdfunding. Just think about it. Your imagination turned into a movie without needing Hollywood. 4. Create and sell digital assets. This one's underrated. Creating digital assets using Sora 2 and selling them. At first, you might think, why would anyone buy AI-made assets if they can make their own? Well, not everyone has the time or the patience to master AI tools. That's where you come in. You can generate bundles of video loops, animated backgrounds, short clips or motion graphics, stuff that editors and creators always need, package them nicely, and sell them on marketplaces. You could even make custom assets for clients, like sci-fi city backgrounds, realistic nature shots, or animated intros. Each bundle can sell multiple times, so you build passive income over time. And if someone complains that AI made it, just smile and say, "Yeah, and I made the AI work for me." The truth is, people pay for convenience. If you save them hours of work, they'll happily pay for it. 5. Build a SaaS using Sora 2 APIs. Now this one is a little advanced, but it's a long-term play. You can build your own SaaS, or software as a service, using Sora 2's API. Basically, you create a small online tool where users can generate videos easily. You connect your app to Sora's API and charge users per video or per month. So, if Sora charges $1 for a clip, you can charge $5 for access through your platform. The idea is simple. Make it easier for people to use Sora without needing technical skills. Maybe your app focuses on one niche, like real estate video maker or YouTube Shorts generator. You can fine-tune it for specific use cases and build a business around it. There are even no-code platforms that can help you set this up without deep programming knowledge. Of course, this takes more setup, API integration, UI design, maybe a small team, but the potential profits are way higher. You'll go from AI video creator to AI video business owner. And yes, that means while others are prompting, you're the one running the platform. Funny way to see it. You become the landlord of AI video creators. They pay rent, you provide the apartment. 6. Bonus method. Sell courses or coaching. Now, once you've mastered all this, here's your bonus method. Teach others. People will always pay to learn what works. Once you've gained experience with Sora 2, like how to prompt it, how to edit AI videos, how to build a service, you can package that knowledge. Make a course, a workshop, or even a YouTube tutorial series. You can teach beginners how to start from zero, what tools they need, what mistakes to avoid, and how to actually make money with AI videos. This not only helps others, but it also builds your authority in the space. And guess what? You can charge for it. Online courses are one of the most profitable digital products today. If you already have results to show, people will trust you. Plus, it's fun to teach, and once your students start succeeding, they become walking proof that your method works. So yeah, after learning to make videos with Sora, you can literally make money teaching people how to make money with Sora. The opportunity is real, but it won't stay untapped for long. So start experimenting now. Because the people who learn first earn first. And that's the truth. So if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and comment which method you'd try first. Lastly, do check this next video to explore more modern ways to make money online.